Hi girlies, I only have 10 minutes to get ready, but I still want to look glam. And I have no time for correcting all my flaws because your girl is perfect. The feeling. I'm just gonna use a powder because wala na akong time to conceal or, maglagay ng foundation. Kaya naman, let me show you a shortcut. So this is my bare face. Naglagay lang ako ng eyebrow, contact lens, and also ang aking eyelash ability. And I need to be out in the door in 10 minutes. At wala na rin akong time to use foundation. So I'm just gonna use a powder from Skintific. Tignan nyo, one swipe. Oh, ang kinis ng face ko dito. Tignan nyo, oh, blur na yung aking skin. Natatakpan yung mga hindi magaganda sa skin natin. Uy! Ganyan lang, te. Ganyan lang dapat. And look at me. Wow. I'm ready to go.